Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, whether you're welcoming guests, enjoying pride of ownership, or thinking about future resale value. In Covington, where homes range from charming traditional styles to modern residences, windows are one of the most noticeable exterior features. Casement windows have become a popular upgrade for Covington homeowners because they combine clean design, functionality, and timeless appeal, making homes look more polished and inviting from the street. Here's how casement windows significantly enhance curb appeal for Covington properties. Clean lines create a refined exterior look. Casement windows are known for their simple, streamlined appearance. Unlike bulkier window styles, casement windows feature narrow frames and large glass areas that create a sleek, uncluttered look. From the outside, this means more visible glass and less frame distraction. A modern, well-proportioned appearance, a clean aesthetic that complements many home styles. This refined look instantly upgrades the exterior of Covington homes. Architectural flexibility for any home style. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their versatility. They pair beautifully with a wide range of architectural designs commonly found in Covington. Casement windows work well with traditional Southern-style homes, transitional and contemporary properties, renovated historic residences. Their adaptable design allows homeowners to modernize their exterior without losing architectural character. Larger glass areas brighten the home's exterior. Casement windows typically offer larger uninterrupted glass panes compared to other operable windows. This not only improves interior lighting but also enhances how the home looks from outside. Homes with more visible glass appear brighter and more open, feel more welcoming and inviting, create a stronger visual connection between indoors and outdoors. This added brightness contributes to a fresh, upscale exterior appearance. Balanced proportions improve visual symmetry. Properly sized casement windows help create symmetry across the home's facade. Their vertical orientation often aligns naturally with doors, trim, and architectural lines. Well-proportioned windows improve the balance of the exterior design, make facades appear more intentional, enhance overall harmony. For Covington properties, this symmetry adds to the home's curb appeal and perceived value. Frame color options elevate style. Modern casement windows are available in a variety of frame colors and finishes that enhance exterior design. Popular choices include classic white for timeless appeal, dark frames for bold contrast, neutral tones that blend with brick or siding. The right frame color can highlight architectural details and make windows stand out as a design feature rather than just a necessity. Grid options add character without clutter. For homeowners who prefer a traditional look, casement windows can include optional grid patterns. These grids add charm without overwhelming the window's clean design. Grid options enhance character and detail, match historic or classic aesthetics, maintain a balanced, elegant appearance. This flexibility allows homeowners to personalize their exterior style. Improved condition makes homes look well maintained. Old, worn windows can quickly diminish curb appeal. New casement windows immediately signal that a home has been updated and cared for. Benefits include smooth operation and alignment, clean finishes without peeling or warping, a fresh, updated appearance. Well-maintained windows enhance overall exterior presentation. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Curb appeal directly influences buyer interest. Casement windows are attractive to buyers because they combine style, efficiency, and functionality. They help create strong first impressions, increase perceived property value, make listings more appealing. Even homeowners not planning to sell soon benefit from improved exterior aesthetics. Professional installation ensures a polished finish. To fully realize curb appeal benefits, casement windows must be professionally installed. Proper installation ensures straight alignment, clean trim work, and a flawless exterior finish. A smart upgrade for Covington homes. Casement windows are more than a functional upgrade, they're a powerful design feature that enhances curb appeal for Covington properties. With clean lines, flexible styling options, improved symmetry, and modern finishes, they elevate the home's exterior while adding lasting value. For homeowners looking to make a noticeable visual impact without overwhelming their home's character, Casement Windows offer a stylish, timeless solution that delivers beauty and confidence from the curb.